You've heard about it, but now you get to finally see it. This is Fujifilm's GFX Eterna. Yes, this is their very first cinema camera. It's really exciting to finally see this out here. This is largely based, in many ways, around the GFX 100 Mark II. That's a medium format camera that they have. Beautiful image out of that camera. But now we have it in a dedicated cinema body. Now, there's still a little light on the details. There are a few things that came out over the last few months. Some of the more recent details include the open gate recording mode. But one thing that I think came out today was that it has an internal battery solution to help you hot swap your batteries. Normally, on the back side for these cameras, you can use something like a V-mount battery, which is the stock option here. However, if you look on the side, right above the card slots, you have CF Express and SDXC, you have a battery slot, and that is for the very same NPW235 battery that is found, yes, in the GFX 100 Mark II. That means you can use that battery as your buffer battery between V-mount hot swaps. Now, as you can see here, this is rigged out. They've already got a rig from Wooden Camera. That's crazy. They have their D-box set up here. It's got multiple power taps. And one of the more interesting things about this camera in general is that you have controls and screens from both sides, the operator side and what was traditionally called the dummy side. Mounting options in the front, it starts with a G-mount, but they will include a PL mount adapter, I believe, with the camera, so you should be set there. And right below the lens mount, you'll actually see a dial for an ND filter. This is an internal electronic ND filter. This is huge for a cinema camera. It covers up to 7 stops, starting at 0.6. Other than that, being their very first cinema camera, you get exactly what you would expect from a cinema camera. If you look on the side here, you can kind of see the approach they're taking with menus, button layouts. Everything is very cleanly laid out and obvious to the user. So that's about all we know right now. Like I said, they're scant on details. And no, I don't know when it's coming out, unfortunately, but hopefully we learn soon in the future. So stay tuned for our continuing coverage of NAB 2025.